How to blow up on SoundCloud. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can blow up on SoundCloud, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, blowing up on SoundCloud or gaining significant recognition and popularity on the platform can be challenging, but it's not really impossible. And here are some of my personal tips that may help you increase your chances of getting attention on SoundCloud. Now, the number one thing to focus on is high quality content. Just focus on creating high quality music that stands out. Invest time in producing well mixed tracks with professional sound quality, and take care of the recording, mixing and mastering process to ensure your music sounds its best. The second option is to simply select a unique style. So develop a unique musical style that differentiates you from other artists. Experiment with different genres and sounds to find your own signature style. Try to be consistent in releasing the schedule, so regularly just release new music to keep your audience engaged. Consider creating a schedule and stick to it. Number 4 is to simply engage with the audience. Just interact with the listeners by responding to comments, messages and feedback, and show appreciation for their support and make them feel involved in your musical journey. And the last but not the least, I just want you to simply collaborate with other artists if possible, because collaborating with other musicians can help you tap into the existing fan base and increase your exposure. Look for artists who share a similar style or have a complementary sound and explore opportunities for collaboration. Now remember just that building a successful music career takes time, dedication and persistence. Keep honing your skills, experimenting with different strategies and staying true to your artistic vision. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.